How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be checking out this high definition backup camera by eRapta. This is a rear view license plate reverse camera. It is universal for pickup trucks, cars, and SUVs. Has 149 degree and it has a extra night light on it so that you can get that extra vision. It is also IP69 level waterproof. Inside the package, you're going to receive an instruction guide on how to hook this up, as well as other ways to mount this camera. You'll also receive the camera itself attached to the license plate camera with the cord running off of it. Then you're going to receive another bracket in case you mount this somewhere else on your vehicle. As you can see, it comes with all the wiring necessary, as well as the power and the ground. And inside the instructions, it will show you how to hook that up. Comes with heat shrink to cover those bare exposed connections, mounting screws, and a whole bunch of RCA cable to run this from the back of your vehicle all the way to the front monitor. Now, the instructions were very clear on hooking this up. I had zero issues with it, so I'll show you guys this on my vehicle after I installed it. This is the camera after installation. On my particular installation, I was able to install it right here with a license plate bracket just because this spacing was perfect. But if you have a license plate, it will mount up on there perfectly using this spacing right here. Now let's go show you inside the vehicle what the camera looks like. Now, as you can see there, it does have the parking lines. You can get rid of those by cutting wires. That is inside the instruction manual for the installation. This will not show up. This is just for my particular installation that I have on the vehicle, camera system that is. But this will show up, and as you can see, very clear, awesome setup. It does have lights for at night to give you a brighter picture. Thank you guys for watching this video on this reverse backup camera. I hope it helped.